Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create professional looking mockups in Canva, whether you are showcasing a product design, a brand logo, or website visual. So let's start it. When you log into Canva, there is multiple option available over there, but click on whiteboard because we are going to create a mockups here. So what you will do, just click it here and then you can see there is. So simply upload a picture that you are going to use in your videos. I will upload a Coca-Cola picture because I'm going to use that in our mockup. So and then just simply click on picture. There is option edit and click on edit. At the bottom you can see there is mockup option available over there. Just click on that and then you can see there is multiple options, cups, some bags and can. Lots of options are available over there. What you want, you can do it from here. So for example, I'm going to create can, so I will click on that and then you can see there is so just by a single click I got a final look of this. What you can do, if you want to adjust the text or the picture a little bit, so you can do it from there. Beside that, if you think that it's final, it's done, go to share option, click here and then download your picture, and beside that you can do editing if you want. So let me do it again, and after that I will do the same with this picture of Bacha Khan, and I will upload a picture. And then you can see when I click on edit option at the bottom, there is again multiple options available over there. I will click and you can see it will create a perfect mockup. So you can create a perfect mockup in just 5 to 10 seconds, and it's really a simple thing, and I believe that is really creative thing that you can do. Just create and go to share option, click here and then download. Beside that, I am going to repeat all this procedure with another picture of Nelson Mandela. I will do that again, and the process is quite same. You can prepare multiple things, different things from here, but what is the different over there? Just the product that you are going to prepare. And for example, you are going to create mockup on cup, so you will click on this. If you want and can, so you will click on can. Beside that there is again lots of options available, so you can prepare multiple things in just few seconds. It's really simple, but for that you have to experience this in Canva by yourself. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.